Time to suck today's dick.
A few inches later.
Look at that. Oh. That's the easiest pull I've done in a while. Looks like I fucking jizzed in this panel.
What?
Everything's good here. Honestly, I'm just pulling the last couple wires. Yeah. Oh my god, I swear I do this at every single job with it.
Tight, tight, tight.
Did you see the bubble?
Around there looks good. Let's get it red.
Tight, 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 yeah.
Got the pipe in, all that's done. All this is powered up. Boom, 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 boom. Alright guys, and that's everything for the day.
In case I don't see ya. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night.